Hey, how's it going? Today's drawing lesson is going to be simple and for beginners. So if you're a complete beginner and you've never drawn anything in your life, this is the perfect place to be. This is going to be step by step and it's going to be short. I try to keep these around the 10-minute mark. All of these are fun, so let's get started and jump right into it. Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw a Lego version of an Among Us crewmate. It's kind of in honor of the Lego mod that just, I guess, is floating around. So it's gonna be super easy, super simple, and for beginners. Okay, so let's get started. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw a curved line over here for the top. Right on. I'm gonna go down over here. Then I'm gonna kind of make that same shape but toward the front and shorter for essentially the crewmate's visor. Alrighty. Over here as well. A lot of it's really slightly curved, mostly straight. Down here. And it's good. Good, go back here and draw a straight line down the back. Needs to be a little bit longer here. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification. It's going to give you essentially the choice to, basically when you press the bell, it's going to let you know what video I'm posting, kind of through a bunch of thumbnails, and then you can decide whether you want to draw it that day or not. But if you do like drawing videos, absolutely click that bell notification. All right. Down here, down the front of the body. It's kind of like a tin can right now. Curve over here. Curve over here for the bottom of the foot, bottom of the other foot. Line up. Line up. Alrighty. Curve line here at the bottom. Hopefully having a good day, just chilling out. I am. It's really relaxing to do this stuff and just gonna hang out. Okay, so now the center here, I'm gonna mark the top of the backpack. Over here, I'm gonna mark the bottom of the backpack, which is on the lower waist. Alright, and I'm gonna connect them in one, essentially a little bit more squared off line. Go to the top here, I'm gonna make those little Lego things, so it's up, curve, down, at one. I'm just gonna make the same one on this side, almost like a battery top, or I don't know. But again, it's obviously like the Lego thing. Drawing a bit of a line here across to show it was probably built. Line over here. If you want, you could throw like a line back here as well. It's like nothing that continues, of course, but that's just kind of like what I'm thinking. Let's go on there with a color. I'm gonna go with this out of this colored marker packet. I'm gonna go with a green. So be aware. I do the lighter color of the Crayola brand, not the regular ones, because the regular ones are too dark. Like I used this blue in the last one. This blue is just too dark. It's too similar to the black in tone. So I bought the light versions of these, and the lighter ones you can see more of the difference. Right between the black, the value is not as dark. Going over here. I'm not thinking too far into this. I'm just kind of pushing in. And just kind of filling it in. Lego's awesome. Uh, yeah, it's kind of fun, chilling out, all that stuff. Hopefully you're doing good too. Okie doke. And let me go into the lens there. The lens, I have a gray for that. Sometimes I do it in light blue, but I think the gray is fine. Actually, that's true. Gray might be really dark too. Maybe I have a dark packet. Let's see. I have a light gray. I think they're both the same. I think they're both the same gray. It's gonna be tough. Let me not use it throughout the whole thing. It's pretty dark, so I'm just gonna do that. More of a decorative surface, like it's reflecting off stuff. Ugh. Let's see. I was trying to put the lid back on. I could not get it back on. So after this, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually throw a thicker liner on the border, and the reason I do that is because I like the look. I think it gives it like a cool sticker look. Yeah. If you have any other versions of this, let me know. If there's any other versions of the Among Us crewmates that you want to see, I've done over 50 of those things. Go to the playlist and check out all of them. I did a bunch. Go check that out. Whew. All right, cool. That is it. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys like hanging out. Um, yeah, I've been posting like this for over a year. Well, not really. I think I started posting in September, where I start posting about 3 drawings a day. But let me know what you think. If you want, more tutorials, less, what specifically you want. I'm trying to toy with the channel right now, so let me know what you think, and I will talk to you next time. Okay? I appreciate everybody being supportive, and I'll see you soon. Later.